Hey, PlatoForms enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a crucial aspect of form management, setting up email notifications. Whether you want to stay updated on submissions or keep your team informed, configuring email notifications is essential. PlatoForms offers a range of notification choices: broadcast to your team, send to specific email addresses, set content preferences for internal or external recipients, and customize notifications based on answers to specific questions. Now, let's jump right in. Before we configure notifications, ensure your form is published. Now, head to the dashboard, hover over your form, click the settings gear in the top left corner, and select Notification to access the Notifications panel. Here you can customize your notifications, starting with email from. This includes the sender's display name and email address. To personalize these details, you need to upgrade to a premium plan. Find more about premium plans via this link. After upgrading, add your custom display name and email address. Moving on to email too. You can send notifications to specific addresses by entering emails separated by commas. You can also switch on Send to Team Members to notify your entire team. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Now, let's personalize the content. In email content and email content to team members, customize the subject and body for recipients and team members. Alternatively, flip the Use Same Email Content switch for consistency. And here's the cool part: jazz up your email subject with dynamic variables as seen on the screen. You can also use variables in the email body. These dynamic elements allow you to include specific information like form text, links, and more. Use the Search Variables drop-down to easily find and insert the variables you need. In the Email Body section, style your email using the rich text editor. After you finish the editing, you can save it as a template for reuse across other form notification settings. And there you have it, and don't forget to click the Save button. Setting up PlatoForms email notifications is easy. Check our user documentation for any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy form building until next time.